I'm an orthopedic surgeon, and so orthopedics is really a medical specialty that's centered around the musculoskeletal system. And if you were to distill down what orthopedic surgeons enjoy doing, it's probably what gives us the greatest joy is getting our patients back up and moving and enjoying their life. What first drew me to medicine was I was interested in having a profession that enabled me to help people every day. There's just intrinsic enjoyment in helping people. And I had the opportunity to go on a mission trip in college to the Dominican Republic with an orthopedic surgeon, and I got to scrub in and hold retractors, and it was just an incredible experience. And I thought, why would you not want to do this? I hope that in the midst of everything that goes on in medicine, that we have an opportunity to develop a relationship and to form a treatment plan. I want my patients in the end to really believe that I'm recommending for them what I would do for myself. I would hope and pray that they feel like we are providing care the same level of care that we would want to provide to any family member or close friend. I get a lot of enjoyment from seeing my patients come in barely able to walk, and then when they're finished with the process and they're finished with the rehab, they'll tell me they feel like I've been able to give them their life back, and that's a pretty amazing thing.